Ep01 Electronic Drum Set Kit. 5 electronic drum sets are included in the drum kit with headphones for each keyboard and an extra set of earphone for a teacher. The drum set includes a speaker for group playing and a headphone output which silences the speakers when being used. This allows many children to play and listen to their own percussion music without disturbing others. An adapter is provided so that the teacher can listen to each pupil separately to provide guidance and help their learning. The drum set is a desk instrument for primary and secondary schools. We have many choices of preschool drum sets and freestanding full drum sets available. They are easy to use with key buttons to select the percussion instrument sounds, including 16 different drum types and cymbals. Pupils can connect the drum set to other equipment such as a recorder or podcast software to record their playing. The built-in lithium-ion battery provides up to 5 hours of battery life on a single charge. A 6-port USB battery charger is included. The kits are supplied in a strong, portable case with wheels so are easy to transport and provide safe storage. Relatively small and convenient for desk and table use, easy and quick to learn with exciting sounds that can be played alone or with just a teacher listening or in a group of students with other instruments.